welcome to our panel. We're going to spend the next 90 minutes or so, maybe a little bit less, talking about the overarching Web 2.0 in travel. You've been picked simply because you all have an opinion, I imagine, from your different sectors. I mean, looking at the list here, we have a technology expert, a social network expert, an advertising and web design expert, a CRM and loyalty expert, someone from the hotel industry, an expert, I hope, as well, and an academic. So we do have quite a nice mix of people here. Web 2.0, Travel 2.0, obviously we're all talking about it within the travel sector. What does it actually mean for us? How does it affect the old or traditional type of travel industry? Lots of question marks over its usefulness and how consumers are going to interact with it and what it actually means for travel companies. Now, Andy here is going to just say a few words as well about his kind of take on this, and then we'll dive straight in with the questions, which is where we'll get the interest, hopefully.
Yeah,
Andy?
I think what we see is that each new thing that comes in IT gets boring quickly, and we're almost at the point of cliche with Web 2.0 already, and it's probably the fastest cliche in internet history that we've seen so far. And yet we're not sure how worthwhile it is in terms of monetizing it particularly. We do see a huge demand from our customers to participate in how websites work and to get closer to providers, to give their opinions. We see that when we send out questionnaires to our customers, we get response rates of 30% of people who want to tell us how their holiday was, and it's the kind of response rate we've never seen before. So clearly there's some pent-up demand from customers to communicate with the providers or with the online travel agents. So what? Does it really make a difference to how you run your hotel? What happens when the customer says, I like this or I don't like that? Does it make a difference to how people buy? Or is this something that we've really adopted in travel because we haven't actually got to grips with mastering the data necessary to become proper retailers? So these are the kind of questions we want to explore to see if Web 2.0 is something that has taken off in travel because it's easy and because there's some kind of demand, or is this a short-term fad that actually will be replaced by something that really helps providers and retailers get to grips with the new value chain?